Life is just a game if you look at it that way. You can play lots of roles and many different kinds of games at the same time. For instance, you can just enjoy life, playing the role of a student, a teacher, a son, father, husband, etc. Life is a fun game, and the best part is that you're the one who sets the rules. So, what are you waiting for? Just play. Recently, I've been studying how to get people excited about my writing. But, I think the secret is to write about things that I know and love. For example, I enjoy writing about history, but I feel more excited when it's about a specific topic that I'm interested in. Since I want to be a writer, I've been researching the different types of writing, and I think that it would be fun and interesting to write about travel. Since I like to travel and I like to write, it would be the ideal job for me. Another aspect of life is how to deal with your finances. Getting your finances in order is an important part of being an adult, but sometimes it can be difficult to know where to start. The first step you can do is to create a budget. Write down every single thing you spend money on. If you want to be realistic, also write down how much money you make. You should aim to have a positive figure after all of your expenses. If you are struggling to reach this goal, it is important to look at the problem areas so you can get them under control. Once you have your budget in place, stick to it to ensure you are reaching your goals. Aspects of life are things that many people take for granted, such as the weather, the birds chirping, the sun rising and setting, and so on. But have you ever stopped to think about what these little things mean? The temperature on any given day is a product of the sun and the thermosphere and its interactions with the air and the winds. Without the sun there would be no warmth, and we would freeze to death on the surface of the earth. The birds singing and the trees blowing in the wind are signs of life and energy, and they can be heard throughout the day as we go about our days. But if there wasn't any life, the plants wouldn't grow and we would all eventually die of starvation. So as you go through your day, think about what you hear and see and how it will affect the rest of your life. What is life? Life is an aspect of the universe consisting of organisms, which are the basic units of life, as well as their surroundings. Living things are characterized by having autonomous behavior, which can be described as the set of behaviors that are statistically most likely to lead to the continuation of the entity. Life can be classified into three domains: Archaea, bacteria, and eukaryota. The first two are single-celled organisms, whereas the third contains multicellular organisms that are visible to the naked eye. A single-celled organism is called an organism that does not consist of multiple cells. It is the most basic unit of life.